Hey there, DC Types here. This is what's on my workbench today. This beautiful green 1950s Smith Corona Silent Super that's in very, very good mechanical condition. I've already partially disassembled and begun the cleaning process of cleaning the individual keys. They have some dirt, but this is in very, very good mechanical condition. I did a quick type test here just to show. Here. A little sloppy here. It's in excellent mechanical condition. I can't say the same for my typing skills when I'm holding the camera one-handed. So, excellent mechanical condition. And this green color was unusual and far less common in these 1950s 5 Series, so it makes it significantly more valuable. So I'll continue cleaning, servicing, and then have it up for sale.